Welcome to springlib.
So covalent bonds are a class of chemical bonds where we have the valence electrons that are shared between atoms. Typically these are non-metals. So here we're looking at electronegativity, and it increases across the period and it decreases down the groups. So they're the trends that we need to remember. So in this first example, what we've got is SiN and PO. So silicon is group 4, phosphorus is group 5. Similarly, if we look at nitrogen, this is group 5 and oxygen is group 6. So therefore the electronegativity difference between phosphorus and oxygen is lower than silicon and nitrogen. So therefore the PO bond is the shorter bond. The next example, we've got silicon and oxygen, and we have carbon and oxygen in a single bond here. So we have carbon and silicon, so they're both group 4, where we see carbon is a second period element and silicon is a third period element. And so the electronegativity of carbon is higher when compared to silicon, so therefore the CO bond is shorter. Next we have carbon fluorine. So we've got a halogen, and carbon bromine, another halogen. So fluorine and bromine, they're both halogens, group 7s, like we've already established. However, fluorine is the second period, whereas bromine is in the fourth period. That's 2 rows below fluorine. So therefore the electronegativity of fluorine is greater than bromine. So therefore the CF bond is shorter than the CBr bond. The final example to look at here. So we're looking at the C triple N and the C double C. So we have a carbon, double bond carbon, and a carbon triple bond nitrogen. So a triple bond is shorter than a double bond due to the proximity of the bonding electrons. And that completes all of the examples we have.